Okay, this month's basics, we're going to be doing formal basics, or what we call kihon. For punches and blocks, we're going to do it in sanchin stance. So in Ashihara karate, when we say sanchin stance, it means your feet's about shoulder width apart. It can be right foot or left foot forward, but let's talk about the right foot forward first. If your right foot is forward, it just needs to be halfway ahead of your left. Okay? At the very minimum, your toes should be pointing forward, but if you prefer, your toes can point in. But the most important bit is your knees bent inwards. Okay? When you have that, two things happen. Number one, you are very stable, because you have a wide base. You are sunk into your stance as if you are sitting on a chair or a stool. Number two, when you bend your knees, you give tension to your legs. So if you hit your legs right now, it doesn't feel that painful because the tension is on. Okay, either be it from the top, the back, to the bottom, it's all tension. So by just practicing sanchin, you learn how to receive impact if you do it correctly. For the arms, after you extend your arms, you pull your elbow towards your body instead of pulling your elbow away from your body. If you pull your elbow towards your body, you feel your back muscles getting tense. That means you're able to use your back muscles. Okay, you can recruit more muscles in your movements. But if you pull it away from your body, you're just using your shoulder muscles, which are a lot smaller. So that means you can't do the technique with more power if you want to. Okay? And as you take up the stance, you exhale through your mouth. As you exhale, you give tension to your torso. And if you knock it, you should be able to take in some impact. Alright? So that's how you take a punch if you're too late to block it. Okay, on kamaite, right side, cross over to the left, as if you're doing a semicircle. Exhale out through your mouth completely. Okay, at the end of movement, you hear. As with all karate training, it's not just your body and mental focus, it's also your spirit. Okay, if you don't have spirit, but your technique looks fancy, you're going to lose in a fight anyway because you have no confidence. Okay, you don't have confidence to overcome the other person. Okay? Yo! Alright, so you just track your legs, make sure there's good tension. You're just sitting on a chair, very balanced, front, back, left and right. Elbow pull towards your body. There's tension on your back muscles. Okay, completely exhale. There's tension on your torso. Okay, recover. Well, okay,